it was fun and I'm happy and I like doing these things on my channel. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and it would mean the absolute world to me if you would like and subscribe, but you can wait till the end of the video to decide if you want to stick around. I was so excited when I got home today because in my mailbox was my Ipsy. This is my second one that I have received this year. I just started it back up again last month. Last month's bag was a killer. I absolutely loved it. I'm hoping that this month will match up to last month's. I have not gotten Ipsy in like 8-10 years, something like that, and I was so excited to get it again because it was fun and I'm happy and I like doing these things on my channel. So we're just going to get into it while I open it because I have not even peeked. I literally just walked in from work like 5 minutes ago, got the mail, ran upstairs, found a memory card, and got to recording. Let me see if there's lipstick on my teeth. Yeah, no, we're good today. For those of you who do not know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription where you get sample sizes of hair care, skin care, makeup. Sometimes they're fabulous, sometimes they're not, but it's all fun all the time. So I feel a textured bag, which makes me very, very curious. And, ooh, it is a textured bag. Oh, how pretty. I'm thinking that it's Halloween themed. You probably cannot see it because it's monochromatic, but this is like one of those masquerade type masks, and it is textured with flowers and such on it. Maybe if yeah, you can probably see it just a little bit. This is, of course, your leather bag. It's pretty. It's a reddish orangey color, and it has, of course, the little pull says Ipsy on it, and let's just dive on in. I got schooled last month in remembering that they don't provide a card with all the information. I have to look that up myself, which I don't mind doing because it's cool. Okay, I feel a box. I'm pulling out a box first, and the first box I'm pulling out is from Nomad. It says Nomad Stockholm. Okay, I have retried Nomad Cosmetics before. A shadow, as a matter of fact, a very long time ago. I think I still have it. Let's see what we got. The box is beautiful. I like their packaging a lot. I enjoy when companies put like some detail into their packaging. Makes me happy, especially even the sample sizes. It just comes in a little tiny black compact with the name Nomad on the front. I'm wondering if Stockholm is the color, and look at that color. Wow. That is a gorgeous color. There is an N embossed on it. It's very soft. Take a look at that. And take a look at that. I love colorful eyeshadows. Cannot wait to try this. Okay, we are off to a good start because that's stunning. By the way, it has a slight shimmer to it, but it is not a full-on or chunky glitter. It has a very soft, creamy texture to it. Let's go back in and pull out box number 2. And it is it says K. Voss Lip Balm, and this is Strawberry Peppermint. I don't know if I like Strawberry Peppermint together, but we're going to find out because this I will try, even though I have lipstick on. It doesn't matter. I enjoy getting lip balms. I have the driest lips on the planet, I think. It comes in a cute little tube like this, and how lovely it is safety sealed, which is wonderful. It's got a little baby strawberry on top. Oh, it smells like strawberries. It is slightly tinted. Let's try it on, shall we? I can feel the peppermint. You can see the strawberry. It doesn't have a taste though, and it smells a little bit by strawberry. Okay, so I smell the strawberry, I feel the peppermint, and it has a slight reddish tint, which is nice. I mean, sometimes you just want to throw on a lip balm and have it have a little bit of color. So I like that, and it's a pretty generous size. Okay, we are doing so well. Item number 3 is a larger box. And this is from IBY Beauty. You know, I was just on their website actually the other day. Was going to purchase some things, but I'm currently on a no-buy, so I have a list of things that I do want to try from them. And this is called Radiant Glow Highlighter. Again, these indie companies, which these are indie companies, they put a lot of attention to detail in their packaging, and that's always appreciated by me. Again, cute little packaging, nudish pink, which is very pretty. And that is a nice standard neutral highlighter. Let's see what, ooh, very soft. Very, very soft. It looks like it's a not, oh my goodness, in your face, but not totally subtle highlight either. At least on my skin tone, I think, well, this will be really, really pretty. You know what this reminds me of? The Morphe highlighter that we got in last month's box, actually. It goes on beautifully. It's not chunky, and it has a nice color to it. Okay, 3 out of 3. We are batting 1,000. Okay, the next thing, well, here is the card. And the card says, who said nights were for sleep? Yeah, that's pretty much true, especially these days. I would read the back of it, but you know I don't have my glasses, of course. So you know I can't see it without my glasses, of course. I have another large box. And this large box is, all I know is it's got a UFO on it. Let's see if I can read the rest of it. All I know is on the back it says, "It's not me, it's my sign." There is very tiny writing here. I'm going to have to put it on the screen because yours truly could not read it if you paid me. Henceforth, aha, I believe the brand is Space Case, hence the little baby UFO. And the color is "It's not me, it's my sign." We're getting it together, Leanne. This actually looks like a full size. And it looks like a pretty blush. Everything I'm touching today is so soft and so creamy. Is this a cream? It feels creamy, yet it's going on as a powder, and that is a beautiful blush. I will be curious to see how it works with a brush, though, because it literally feels like a cream in my hand. So I'm hoping, I mean, it goes on nice with my finger, but I'm hoping that it applies nicely with a brush as well. Okay, so far we've gotten 4 indie brands. I said, which doesn't bother me because I do enjoy trying the indie brands. Sometimes the indie brands pay so much attention and they're more concerned with how the public reacts to it than a lot of larger brands. So the last thing in here is, ooh, another product from MAC. This is the MAC lip gloss. And it looks like it's in a really pretty color. I like the little packaging. That's adorable. Of course, you know, by the way, that I cannot read the color, so I'll have to put that on the screen as well. But this looks super, super pretty. Let me just swatch it on my hand, and then I'm going to try it on my lips for you. Now, if I keep shaking my head, it's because I have a mosquito that keeps buzzing. It's like doing a flyby, literally. That's beautiful. Let's try this on. I'm going to take off what I have, and we're going to try that on. Because I can't not do it. Guess what? I had lipstick on my teeth. Or the lip gloss. Did you notice that? If you noticed that, let me know. And probably you were sitting there dying to tell me through the screen. Let me let my lips dry. This is really, really pretty. I really do enjoy MAC lip glosses in the plush glass. I just haven't bought any in a while, but it's a really pretty color. And you know, it just happens to go with the look I'm wearing today, as a matter of fact. I always like these MAC lip glosses because they have like a slight tingling to them, and like I happen to like that. It's not intense or anything, but it's something that I happen to like, and this will last a long time, and this will definitely be a color that I will be wearing often. So that is my Ipsy bag. We got 4 indie products, all of which honestly I'm extremely happy about. I'm very curious about that blush. I will be trying out that blush and letting you know later this month how I felt about it. But honestly, I think it was a fabulous bag. As I said, I enjoy trying indie brands. There are so many products that you could get in your Ipsy bag, so it's always a surprise to know what other people get. If you get this bag, I would love to know what you got in the comments down below, please, and let me know what you think of this lip color on the teeth. And as usual, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have an amazing day and amazing week. And I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Bye, everybody.